Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aditya Guha, and in today's video we are going to perform fresh installation of Windows 11. So if your laptop is slow, buggy, stuck in boot loops, or just want a completely fresh start, this video is exactly for you. Today I'll show you how to clean install Windows 11 using USB pendrive and Rufus step by step. A fresh installation of Windows 11 helps when your system is lagging, infected with malware, or has driver issues or update issues. Unlike a reset, this completely wipes your system drive and installs Windows like it's brand new. And now let's dive into our screen. So now we are on our screen. Just go to any browser you have and search for Windows 11 ISO file download. Here is the official Microsoft website. So this is the official Windows 11 website. Here we have to go to create Windows installation media. Or there is another option to download this image ISO file directly. You can also choose this. Select United States, confirm. So yeah, this is not working, so we'll go with this way. So this is the Windows 11 setup, and we have to download another tool, which is Rufus. This is the tool which burns the ISO file into the pendrive. This is a 64 GB pendrive. And make sure this backup your data which is on the pendrive. So this Rufus tool is now downloaded. Let's accept this setup. You can tick or untick this option. It's up to you. Tick the ISO file one and download it in your in any folder. So now the ISO file is downloaded in the downloads folder. So this is the Windows ISO file. Now let's open Rufus and connect our pen drive. Select your pen drive. Make sure to back up all the data from your pen drive because it's going to be erased. And keep this disk or ISO and select the Windows ISO file from here. Keep all of these options as default and click to start. And you can also change options from here, but we'll go with this name and okay, and start. So now Rufus is burning the ISO file into that pen drive. So this is our pen drive. Also guys, make sure to back up all your data from the device and store it on cloud or on any hard disk, because all of the data from this device is now going to be erased once we start the installation from the pen drive. And make sure that your laptop or device supports boot from pendrive or boot from external drive, which is the option in BIOS. You have to enable it from the BIOS if it's not enabled, and depends upon the model and the company of the device you are using. Yeah, so now our pen drive is ready and the ISO has been burned successfully into the pen drive. We'll close it and restart our device. Now continuously press the boot key of your device, which is F12 for mine, and here you can see three options. One is the network one is this pen drive one, and the default Windows Boot Manager. So now we have to choose the pen drive one. Now the laptop is booting from this pen drive. Click no, and here this is the installation screen of Windows 11. We'll select next, install Windows 11. I agree. This is the terms and conditions. Accept. Yeah, so this is the drive and partitions section. Here, as you can see, we have our primary SSD. This one. We have to delete this one. Delete other partitions. Delete partition. Delete this partition also. And the Windows SSD, we have to delete this one. Don't delete this ESD pen drive. This is our pen drive. Don't delete this one. And here you can leave it as it is. For installation, we'll choose our primary disk, which is this 512 SSD. Here it is showing 476 GB unallocated space. We'll choose this. Next. And install. Sometimes this folder is shown empty, the storage one. For that you have to go to the official site of your device and install and download the drivers from that website and put that drivers in the pen drive. That is a complete different headache, but thankfully we didn't get that error in this process. I am currently using Lenovo's lock, so it may take some time. So the installation of Windows is complete, and now this is the update screen, and yeah, now we are booting into Windows. For this installation, we opted out of account-based sign-ins, and for this case, we have chosen local account, which does not require any mail ID to log in. Yeah, so we are now on our installation screen. Choose I don't have internet. So Rufus has created a local account on Windows, and that's why we didn't get any screen for installation and sign-ins and other permissions. We have straight up booted in the freshly installed Windows 11. Yeah, so now we have directly booted in our newly freshly installed Windows 11. Now we'll restart it once and remove the pen drive. Set up new password for this and keep one line. So guys, there is a slight problem, which is the drivers such as Wi-Fi and other drivers are not installed when you directly install Windows from pendrive. For that, what you have to do is get a cable and connect it to your phone. And in phone, you have to choose USB tethering. And here, as you can see, the device is now connected to the internet. Uh, and here, yeah, so the internet is working through this USB tethering. You could download Google Chrome and look and search for your device. For example, my is Lenovo LOQ drivers. Search drivers for this, drivers and software. Change to India. Here you have some options like diet scanning, or you can choose drivers manually. For this Lenovo laptop, we will need Lenovo Service Bridge. Once all of the steps are done, you can select the drivers and install it manually. Yeah, so this was the installation. Here, as you can see, this is a local account, which is also the admin for this. And the installation of Windows was successful because there was no errors in between during the reboot or installation. And so thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something new, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.